for us.
Yeah.
And, I'd like to start with the reason why I joined the Computer Science Association. It's just one purpose. It's to expand my network. And it actually did, as evidenced with my LinkedIn connections. And also, having joined the Computer Science Association, I've been to a lot of places. I've founded my own company, Miss Impatec, as a student. And I also did my pitch in this same exact stage, like 6 months ago, which unfortunately I failed to win the pitch competition. And also, having been here in front of you speaking, it's really out of my comfort zone. Now I'd like to share a little bit of story. Last week, I was talking to one of my mentors, which I met through Computer Science Association. His name is Dr. Ravi Brahmat. And I want to share a lesson that I've learned from him. He said, always network. Always expand your network. Why? Because your network is your net worth.
That's right.
I repeat, your network is your net worth. My advice, take advantage of this kind of events. Network with your seatmates. Get their names or connect with them on LinkedIn. That way you could expand your network and attend, of course, we're planning a lot of events at the CSA Club, so make sure to follow our social media for that. Attend those. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. You get to learn and you expanded your network. And lastly, my take on networking is network with the right people. And I think being here with you guys, with all of you guys, is the right network for me. Thank you so much.